If you are unfamiliar with rolling coal, it is the action whereby a diesel truck owner modifies her truck to remove particulate filters and purposefully feeds the engine more fuel than it can burn in an attempt to create a large, dark, sooty exhaust that is usually blown onto other vehicles. People partaking in this activity usually target electric and hybrid vehicle drivers as their victims. When passing these environmentally friendly vehicles, the owners of the modified diesel trucks blow dark soot all over the low-emission or no-emission vehicles. As a result, not only is coal rolling an environmentally irresponsible action, but it can also cause car accidents. At this point, you might wonder why a reasonable person would tamper with her engine, lower the efficiency and lifetime of her vehicle, and harm the environment by blowing dark smoke out her exhaust. For that, you would have to talk to someone who has modified their truck in such a manner. However, the most common reason these people do it is as a sort of anti-environmental protest. When it started, coal rolling specifically targeted Toyota Prius drivers. However, once Tesla vehicles became symbols of environmental consciousness, many of the EV makers' cars have been the recipients of this juvenile action on public roads. Usually when rolling coal, a large diesel truck is against a small sedan. However, with Tesla entering the pickup truck market, a Cybertruck owner has been recorded as the first victim of such action on the road. The video shows a diesel truck speeding in front of a Cybertruck and releasing dark soot from the exhaust. The Cybertruck owner shared the video simply writing, "Just got coal rolled for the first time in my Cybertruck." Given the Cybertruck's stainless steel exoskeleton body and unmatched power, several ways exist to respond to this apparent unprovoked aggression. However, Tesla's lead Cybertruck engineer, Wes Merrill, has other suggestions. In response to this video, rather than responding angrily, Wes suggests that you flip on bioweapon defense mode and you can clean up after them. Bioweapon defense mode is Tesla's hospital-grade HEPA air filtration system fitted into the company's vehicles. The HEPA air filter in Tesla vehicles is so capable that Elon Musk has claimed in the past, the air inside Tesla vehicles is so clean it is possible to perform surgery in your car. Musk's hyperbole aside, Tesla's air filtration system is so good that it not only cleans up the air inside the vehicle but also traps particulate matter suspended in the air and cleans up the surrounding environment. The Cybertruck lead engineer suggests that the Cybertruck owner getting coal rolled uses his truck's air purifying capabilities and cleans up the air after the perpetrator. This is a commendable suggestion from the Cybertruck lead engineer, and we hope all Tesla owners who get rolled cold will follow suit. So what do you think? Are you disappointed to see diesel truck drivers engage in such behavior? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.